Welcome to our journey beyond Earth. Today we're taking a closer look at 6 alien planets that could be the most Earth-like in the universe. Ever since humans first gazed upon the night sky, we've wondered, are we alone? Is there another Earth out there, teeming with life? With discoveries made by NASA's Kepler space telescope, we now have a list of planets that might support life. These aren't just random balls of rock floating in the vast cosmic void. We're talking about planets within the habitable zone of their stars, potentially harboring liquid water. Could one of these planets be our future home? Buckle up, space fans, because we're about to dive deep into the cosmos and explore 6 of the most tantalizing candidates for Earth 2.0. First on our list is Kepler 452b, often called Earth's cousin. Discovered in 2015 by the Kepler space telescope, this exoplanet caused quite a stir in the scientific community. It orbits a star very similar to our own Sun, located about 1,400 light-years away in the constellation Cygnus. Kepler 452b is about 60% larger in diameter than Earth. Its year is a bit longer too, clocking in at 385 days. Kepler 452b orbits within the habitable zone of its star, that sweet spot where temperatures are just right for liquid water to exist on the surface. We don't know for sure if Kepler 452b has water, let alone oceans and continents like Earth. The composition of its atmosphere is still a mystery. It could be a rocky planet like Earth, or it could be a mini Neptune. Even with these unknowns, Kepler 452b has sparked a lot of excitement in the scientific community. It's a tantalizing glimpse of what might be out there. Is it a mirror image of Earth teeming with life? Or is it a completely alien world with its own unique wonders? Only time and further exploration will tell. Until then, Kepler 452b will continue to beckon us, a symbol of hope and possibility in the vast expanse of space. Next up, we're traveling to Proxima Centauri b, the closest exoplanet to our solar system discovered so far. This planet orbits Proxima Centauri, a red dwarf star that's just 4.24 light-years away from us. Proxima b was discovered in 2016, and it immediately sent ripples of excitement through the scientific community. It orbits within the habitable zone of its star, raising the possibility that liquid water could exist on its surface. Proxima Centauri is a red dwarf star, much smaller and cooler than our Sun. Proxima b orbits very close to its star, likely tidally locked with one side always facing the star. Red dwarf stars are known for their powerful flares, bursts of intense radiation that could be harmful to life. If Proxima b has a strong magnetic field, it could shield the planet from the worst of its star's flares. Life could still find a way to thrive in subsurface oceans or in protected regions beneath the planet's surface. We still have a lot to learn about Proxima b. Is it a rocky planet like Earth, or is it a gas giant like Jupiter? Does it have an atmosphere? What is its surface temperature like? Despite the challenges, Proxima b remains one of the most intriguing exoplanets discovered so far. It's our closest known neighbor in the vast cosmic ocean, and it holds the potential for harboring life as we know it. The possibility, however slim, is enough to keep us looking, exploring, and wondering about the secrets that our universe holds. In 2017, astronomers announced the discovery of the TRAPPIST-1 system. This system, located approximately 40 light-years away from Earth in the constellation Aquarius, is home to 7 Earth-sized planets orbiting an ultra-cool red dwarf star. Out of these 7 planets, TRAPPIST-1d stands out as one of the most promising for potentially harboring life. It orbits within the habitable zone of its star, where temperatures could allow for liquid water to exist on the surface. TRAPPIST-1d is similar in size and mass to Earth, but orbits its star much closer. The planets are likely tidally locked to their star, with one side always facing the star, and the other side in perpetual night. Even with this tidal locking, TRAPPIST-1d could still be habitable if it has a thick enough atmosphere to distribute heat around the planet. The TRAPPIST-1 system is a treasure trove for future study. Astronomers are eager to learn more about the atmospheres of these planets, their potential for water, and whether or not they show any signs of life. The James Webb Space Telescope is expected to revolutionize our understanding of exoplanet atmospheres, and the TRAPPIST-1 system is high on the list of targets. The discovery of the TRAPPIST-1 system is a powerful reminder that our solar system is just one of countless planetary systems in the Milky Way galaxy. LHS 1140b, discovered in 2017, is a super-Earth located about 40 light-years away from us in the constellation Cetus. It's about 1.4 times the size of Earth and has a mass about 6.6 times greater. This super-Earth orbits within the habitable zone of its star, a red dwarf named LHS 1140. LHS 1140b is one of the most promising candidates for hosting life that we've found so far. It orbits its star at a distance that could allow for liquid water to exist on its surface. Scientists believe that LHS 1140b's atmosphere is composed mostly of hydrogen and helium. This planet might have held onto its atmosphere for much longer than Earth did. LHS 1140, its host star, is much less active than our Sun was in its youth. Another intriguing aspect of LHS 1140b is its potential for volcanic activity. Volcanoes play a vital role in planetary evolution, releasing gases that contribute to the formation of atmospheres and oceans. LHS 1140b is a fascinating target for future observations, and the James Webb Space Telescope will be able to peer into its atmosphere like never before. Let's journey now to the Gliese 667 system, located about 23.62 light-years away from Earth in the constellation Scorpius. This system is home to Gliese 667 cc, a super-Earth that has captured the attention of astronomers worldwide. This planet orbits a red dwarf star, Gliese 667c, and it's situated right in the middle of the habitable zone. Gliese 667 cc is about 4.5 times the mass of Earth. Despite its larger size, Gliese 667 cc receives about the same amount of solar energy from its star as Earth does from the Sun. That means temperatures on this planet could be just right for liquid water to exist on the surface. However, Gliese 667 cc orbits a red dwarf star, which are known for their unpredictable behavior and powerful flares. Gliese 667 cc is likely tidally locked to its star, with one side always facing the star and the other side in perpetual night. This kind of extreme temperature difference could lead to some pretty wild weather patterns. Despite these challenges, Gliese 667 cc remains a tantalizing target for future study. Its position in the habitable zone makes it a prime candidate for hosting life. The search for life beyond Earth is one of the most profound quests in all of science, and planets like Gliese 667 cc keep us looking up at the stars. Our final destination takes us to Kepler 186f, a planet that holds a special place in the annals of exoplanet history. Discovered in 2014 by the Kepler Space Telescope, this planet was the first Earth-sized planet found to orbit within the habitable zone of its star. Kepler 186f is located about 500 light-years away from Earth in the constellation Cygnus. It orbits a red dwarf star, Kepler 186, which is smaller and cooler than our Sun. This planet is almost exactly the same size as Earth, making it one of the most Earth-like planets we've ever discovered. Kepler 186f receives less light and heat from its star than Earth does from the Sun. The light that reaches the surface of Kepler 186f is about as bright as our sunset, casting a perpetual twilight glow over the planet. Kepler 186f orbits its star much closer than Earth orbits the Sun. It completes one orbit every 130 days, meaning its year is significantly shorter than ours. Because it orbits so close to its star, it's likely tidally locked, with one side always facing the star and the other side always facing away. Despite these differences, Kepler 186f remains one of the most intriguing exoplanets we've ever discovered. Its Earth-like size and its position in the habitable zone make it a prime candidate for hosting life. Scientists believe that it could have liquid water on its surface, and its atmosphere could potentially support life as we know it. The discovery of Kepler 186f was a watershed moment in the search for life beyond Earth. So there you have it, space explorers. We've journeyed across the cosmos, visiting 6 of the most Earth-like planets ever discovered. From the scorching heat of 55 Cancri E to the frigid plains of Kepler 186f, we've seen that the universe is filled with an astonishing diversity of worlds. But our exploration is far from over. The search for life beyond Earth is just beginning, and with each new discovery, we come one step closer to answering that age-old question. Are we alone? Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of our exciting space content. Let us know in the comments which of these planets you think we'll visit first. See you next time, space explorers.